Asa. This devil doesn't look like something you see every day. I could turn him into a great weapon to defeat the Chainsaw Man. What are all of you looking at? Well, I could use some tools since this will take longer than expected. How didn't I realize it before? The souls that are inside of you, your existence is product of war. You belong to me, my child. Finally, with this weapon I will defeat the Chainsaw Man once and for all.